Hello, today we're making pizza dough Neapolitan style from BIGA. Pizza from this dough is really cool, and I will show you a really easy recipe how you can do this dough. So you need some kind of container like this, and you need ingredients. So to make BIGA you will need flour and water and yeast. You can see on the screen the recipe, and add all to the container. So if you use fresh yeast, dissolve them in water. If you use instant, dissolve them in the flour, and then add slowly all the water to the flour mix, and then just shake it a little bit like this. I like to use containers like this to, close them and shake. As you can see, it's really easy. So when you shake it well, you got something like the worms. And this is the BIGA. BIGA is done. You just leave it for 24 hours in the fridge. But first of all, I like to use it 1 hour at room temperature. So then in the 24 hours after the fridge, you use your BIGA, you dissolve it in the water, and you saw the recipe for the full dough just a few seconds ago. So we mix, it looks like, like this, and then you add flour little by little, and only later you add salt. So as you can see, there was no salt in the mix before. Can you mix it with hand? Yes, you truly can, but it will be harder, but it's totally possible, there is no problem. So add a little bit flour, then you add all salt, and then you add the rest of the flour. You will have this super sticky but very high hydration flour. I mean dough. The dough is actually ready, but you need to prepare it for the pizzas. So this dough, you cover it in the container for few more hours, like 1 hour is really okay, but coat it with some oil to have high moisture, so the water don't escape in the dough. After like 1 hour coated in the room temperature, you can make the balls. So you see, 1 hour, it's relaxed, it's sticky, very cool dough. So now we make 4 balls from this recipe, and it's totally fine to make balls like this. As you can see, I just stretch inside. I have a good ball, I close it, and very nice ball is really done. So balls in the container for like 2 hours, maybe 4 maximum, maybe 6. It's totally fine. You will see the balls growing in size, and then you can make pizzas. So pizzas will be done in 4 hours, but I will show it in my next videos. I hope you like this video, and you will help me grow so much if you just like and comment on this video. If you do this, I can improve the quality of my other videos too. Big thank to you if you would like to do it. Make sure to watch my other videos, top corners of this screen.